Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the live action Jasmine on Dress to Impress. So I did just a few adjustments, but I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did actually do adjustments on. So I am just going to go and select this here, this hair in only bangs, and I'm just going to color it black. And I'm also going to use this hair, if I can just find it, in all black as well. I did use some VIP items, as you can see, like the crown. I'll do that first. I used this like headpiece over here in this color, 408465 and CA9831. Position the Y at 0.56, Z 0.47, rotated the X to 0.79. And then for the outfit, I am going to use this one. Hold on, where is it? This one in only top without choker. And I'm just going to color it this color right here, 408465. Then I'm just going to use this for the like sleeves in this color. And then the gold color, and then this, and then gold. Wait, let me do the blue one again, and then the gold, and then gold again. Then for the jeans, I just use this, well, for the pants, in this color, in light silk. And then I'm going to get these chains, in only chains in that same gold color. Then I'm going to get this butterfly top in default. I'm going to color it this color in matte, and then this color again, and then this, and then this. And the ribbons, I'm going to change it to this color. Alright, and then I am going to put this earring, select this color, gold color, and then this again. Oh, I also use this necklace in this gold color, and then in this greenish blue color. I'm also just going to scale it down. And I'm just going to adjust it like this. Maybe scale it down a little bit more actually. I like accidentally deleted this. And I am going to add on some shoes here. I'm going to color the first color of gold, and then the second one that blue green. Wait, did I do it the other way? I think I did it the other way. I did it this way, sorry. You can stop here, but I want to add this. It does cover a lot of the details. So I'm just going to, oops, not this one. This one, and I'm just going to color it that gold, but this is optional. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!